So let's talk about long run equilibrium, and let's give a definition of long run equilibrium in these competitive markets. The conditions we need. One, given the price, firms are maximizing their profit. Are maximizing profit. They're earning zero economic profit. You know, they're maximizing, they're making the quantity decision to maximize their profit, but remember, as we just discussed, to get long run equilibrium with no entry or exit, to get equilibrium, nothing should be changing, right? So we need no entry and no exit. We need a profit of zero. Second is going to be, the market needs to clear still. So we still have quantity supplied equals quantity demanded in terms of those markets. And the third assumption is firms can't change size of production, to decrease costs or increase profits. And this third assumption is kind of, that's going to be the big difference between a short run equilibrium with zero economic profit and a long run equilibrium. The long run equilibrium, firms can't change the size of their production facility to lower cost, right? Because then it wouldn't be a long run equilibrium, because they'd want to change something. And so when we think about drawing a long run equilibrium, which I'll do at the bottom here, we need to include one other curve, the long run average cost curve. So let's just write this out. First, price and quantity, it's still on the screen. This is the market. Supply, demand, together, they give you Q star. Normally put that underneath, I'm just worried it doesn't show up. And P star, and remember this price in the market determines the price that the individual firms face, so P and little q, and this is the individual firm. This is the price equals marginal revenue. And so now we need zero economic profit here. So this is the marginal cost curve. Well, to get zero economic profit, we need, should be through the minimum point, let's pretend it is. This is the Q that they're picking. So they're making zero economic profit. They're choosing where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. So check. The market clears over here, check. Now we need to think about this third one. Well, this third one is really about the long run average cost curve, and we need to be at the minimum of our long run average cost curve. So if we were anywhere else but the minimum point, again, this should be the minimum here, min of long run average cost curve, just in case it doesn't look exactly at the minimum on the screen there. We want to be at the minimum of this long run average cost curve. If we're not at the minimum, that means we could change our production size and increase our profit. If we want to change something, then it can't be a long run equilibrium, right? Because we want to change something. So, if we were up here on our long run average cost curve, we wouldn't be at a long run equilibrium. We'd just be at a short run equilibrium with zero economic profit. So to have the long run, it really relates to this long run average cost curve.